In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work the abbreviations C4R or cross 4 right and C4L or cross 4 left. So I've worked the position of my first abbreviation, which is C4R. I'm going to work this over the next 4 stitches on my left hand needle. So to do this, I first slip the first stitch from my left hand needle onto my cable needle purlwise and leave at the back of the work by passing the cable needle between the needles. Then, making sure my yarn's at the back of the work, I'm going to knit 3 from my left hand needle. Then I'm going to actually purl the stitch from my cable needle. Okay, so now I need to work C4L on the next 4 stitches on my left hand needle. So to do this, I'm going to do the opposite of what I've just done. I'm going to slip 3 stitches purlwise onto my cable needle, and this time I'm going to just leave them sitting at the front. Then purl the next stitch from left hand needle. Then I'm going to knit 3 stitches in the order that they were slipped onto the cable needle from the knit 3 from the cable needle. Okay, so I'll just work to the end of the row and then I can show you what I've done in close up. Okay, so there you can see I'm moving 3 stitches to the right and 3 stitches to the left by working the C4R and the C4L.